before we get to the whiteboards though, today we're going to take a picture and we're going to rotate it, turn it. Are you with me? Mm-hmm. So, a rotation goes one of two or three ways. We can rotate 90 degrees. You need to be writing this down in your notes. We're not doing the whiteboard yet. Notes.
Oh.
Yeah, we're taking notes. Or it can go 180 degrees. It can go 270 degrees. Or we could rotate it a full 360 degrees. So we've got four possibilities that we could rotate an object. So 90 degrees is one turn. We'll talk about the turns in a minute. 180 is two turns. 270 is three turns. And 360 is four full turns. All right. So let's talk about the turns. And then we'll talk about which direction we can turn it. So if I'm holding this whiteboard up this way, I have not turned it yet. Let me just put a little point on here. I'm going to put a point at 1, 1. Does everybody agree that point is, you don't need to do this. We're not doing whiteboards yet. You're looking and listening and learning. Put your markers down. Okay, I can turn this 90 degrees. 90 degrees is one turn. Boom, there's a 90-degree turn. Are you with me? Mm-hmm. If I wanted to do 180, I would do two turns. There's one turn, two turns. Are you with me? I could do 270. 1, 2, 3. Are you with me? Do you notice how the dot moves every time I make a turn? Yeah. Where's the dot now?
At the top.
Top left. Are you with me? So, as we're rotating something, every time we do a rotation, it moves. It goes from here to there, there to there, there to there. And what if I do full turns? Where is it now? It's right back where it started at. Does that make sense? So a 360-degree turn will not change the original picture. The dot is still right where I put it at 1, 1. Does that make sense? All right, now we can go a couple of different directions. We can either go clockwise, put this in your notes, or counterclockwise. So let's think about the direction that the clock is moving. That's clockwise. Do you see this little hand going that way? Click, click. That's clockwise. So clockwise is your first turn would be to the right. Some of y'all thought about saying left. Okay, clockwise is to the right. And draw a little arrow going this way. Are you with me? If they want us to rotate it counterclockwise, that would be the opposite of the way the clock is going. Our first turn is to the left. And that goes this direction. Are y'all with me? Because on the homework, it's going to tell you whether to go clockwise or counterclockwise. So, let's say that we started with this point. Your job on the homework is going to be able to draw it wherever they tell you to rotate it. Let's say they tell me to rotate it 180 degrees clockwise. So how many turns?
2.
There's 1, 2. Where would I need to draw the new dot? Bottom left. Do y'all agree? So that would be a what? -1, -1?
Yes.
Are you with me? So the board is going to quit squeaking, dude. Get over here. Well, no need to squeak. Okay, so my new picture would be at -1, -1. Does that make sense? Okay. So the pictures are going to get a little more complex, but not too bad. So let's start with one. Let's take this picture and let's do a little triangle. So go ahead and get your whiteboards now. And put a point at 1, 1, 3, 1, and 2, 3. And let's label them A, B, C. All right, so let's say we want to rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So everybody, once you've got this picture drawn, turn your board 1 turn to the left. And then we're gonna have to draw that picture on, shouldn't it be over here? Y'all agree?
Yeah.
So look, if I turn it, isn't A gonna be right here still? Where is B gonna be? Straight above it?
Yeah.
Hello? And where's C gonna be? At -3. Give me a point.
-3.
-3.
-3, 2.
-3, +2, right there. So look, once we rotate it, A prime, B prime, C prime will be here. Your new picture should be the triangle now facing C to the left. Are you with me? Okay. The whiteboards are going to help you a lot on the homework because you can draw that picture, and then once you do your rotation 90 degrees to the left, now you've got to draw this picture in this quadrant on the homework. Does that make sense? Questions so far? Let's try another one. Oh, I need a better one. Let's take a rectangle. And let's put it at -4, 1, -1, 1, -4, 4, and -1, 4. And let's label it A, B, C, D. This time I want to rotate it 180 degrees clockwise. So once you got it drawn, close your marker and then rotate your board 2 turns to the, we're going clockwise, 2 turns to the right. So go 1, 2. It should be upside down and it should be right over here. Y'all agree? Hello?
Yeah.
So tell me what point C will be at. Where will C be?
1, -1.
Where will C be? -4 is over here.
Wait, no.
1, -1.
No. C will not be at 1, -1. D will, but not C. I want to know where C will be.
4, -1.
It's not -4, kids.
4,
-4 is right here. +4 is over here. Where is it at?
4,
4,
-1.
-1. That's where C prime will be. How about D prime? 1, -1. How about B prime?
1.
Nope, it ain't a 4.
1, -4.
1, -4, good. And how about A prime?
4, -4.
4, -4. Now we're cooking with oil. Good. So this picture got rotated all the way down to here. I didn't label A prime. Questions? Okay, so you've got to be able to, and the whiteboard on the homework will help you because you can draw it and rotate it. Now you just got to reproduce this picture on the homework page. Does that make sense? Hello? All right, one more. Let's do a 270. We haven't done a 270 yet. Let's do the letter T. So let's go -4, 4, -1, 4, and let's make it 2. -2, 2. There we go. -2, 4. There. And let's stop it here. So we're gonna rotate the letter T 270 degrees, counterclockwise. So 3 turns to the left. So take your T, go 1, should go here. 2, it should go here and be upside down, right? And then 3, it should be over here.
Yeah.
Okay, what direction is the stick of the T facing? No, it is not upside down. Which way is it? Well, let me see a picture. Yeah, it's going to the left. You all agree? The stick of the T should be going left. So that point is at 3, 2. Once I rotate it all the way around, it should be at what? 2, 3?
Yeah.
Hello? Right there? Then, where are these points at? Give me some numbers.
4,
4,
4,
2, and
4, 3,
3, and
4, 4.
4, 4. Are y'all with it?
Yeah.
Does your T look like that once you've rotated it?
Yes.
207. Good. Questions? Okay, the whiteboards, you will be allowed to use them on your homework. Just do not leave your marker open and kill my markers while you're working on the homework. So keep in mind, you either need to go clockwise, that's to the right 90 degrees, or counterclockwise, that's to the left 90 degrees. Every time you turn the board, that's a 90-degree turn. Are you with it?
Yes, sir.
90, 180, 270, 360 is right back where we started. Yeah, there's not going to be any 360s on the homework, I don't think. Questions? All right. I made the homework pretty short.